I feel I'm on the path to complete recovery, really. And the fact that I can still sing, and which I enjoy so much, and that it's therapy for me, music and singing. I haven't been able to be out there singing, but I've been streaming a lot of music online and keeping in touch with my friends and then to those who do sing. And they're very supportive, so I'm expecting a lot of support and, excitement about seeing me and seeing me back out there because it's been a long time. All of me, why not take all of me? Can't you see I'm no good without you? Take my lips, I wanna lose them. Take my arms, I'll never use them. Your goodbyes left me with eyes that cried. How can I go on, dear, without you? You took the part that once was my heart, so why not take all of me?